If you edit your videos for YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, this video is for you. I will show you how to claim 30 days of free CapCut. Everything will be simple, honest, and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
If you want Adobe Creative Cloud for 4 months in a completely free, then please visit my YouTube channel. Here you can see this is the magic link. By this link you will get Creative Cloud Pro for 4 months. Or if you want to learn new language, then Duolingo is the best option for you. For Duolingo Super, uh, also visit my YouTube channel to watch how to get Duolingo Super for free 1 month trial. Or this video is for CapCut, how you can get CapCut 30 days pro. This is the magic link. Here you can see capcut.com/u/z30. Just I will give this link in this video description, don't worry about that. It will automatically download a exe file of CapCut, or you can simply click on this download button. After download this 2.8 MB file, just open it, this, click on yes. Here you can see CapCut desktop installer is installing. It takes few time according to the your computer speed, GPU. This is the completely official method. I'm here not using any crack software or anything. If you are new to this YouTube channel, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. Still 95% only completed. After the install CapCut exe file, here you can see the software is testing the environment. Your computer can run CapCut smoothly. Just click on this confirm button. The CapCut software will automatically open. Don't worry about that. Click on this agree and continue button. Then here you can see sign in to claim your free benefit. You can click on this maybe later, or you can simply sign in here. Click on this recommendation. Okay. And you can now use CapCut Pro for free 1 month, so don't worry about that. If you liked this video, then please do subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video. And if you have any suggestion or anything, then please write in comment section. And this is my store where you can buy anything. Please visit my store, maybe you will like. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the Bihas Malik YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpolestar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.